So Rachel went to Super Home Surplus to renovate her house. Let's see what she's got going on in her kitchen.
Hey Jackie, come on in.
Rachel, I'm so excited.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Come on in.
Wow. Rachel went to Super Home Surplus and we're going to see the magic she's done in her kitchen. Wow, tell me about the cabinets.
Well, we knew we wanted a modern farmhouse look, and so Jill suggested the white shaker cabinets, and so I'm just in love with them.
I'm with Jill from Super Home Surplus. Hi Jill.
Hi.
What goes into creating somebody's kitchen?
Well, Rachel came to me first of all with a vision and her budget. We sat down and began to plan through all the great choices that she had for cabinetry and hardware and countertops and even moving into her bathrooms.
So this kind of custom designed kitchen, that must have cost quite a bit to do it all.
Well, that's the best part. So it didn't. I was able to get all of these extras and bells and whistles because of Super Home Surplus's great prices.
You must check out Super Home Surplus. It's your interior remodeling superstore.